These have been with me through thick and thin. And I'm just talking about my weight.
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Erkin back here with another slightly underrated sneaker, in my opinion. One that I've had in my collection for quite some time now. But on today's episode, we are reviewing the Nike MD Runner 2. Now, just like you forgot the snorkel, before we dive any deeper, I just want to say a little disclaimer. Yes, these have been battered and bruised because I've had these for so long, but for the 4 or 5 years that I've had them, I've kept them in pretty good nick. So please forgive me for some of the dirty panels on the B-roll shots. But with that out the way, just like Humpty Dumpty, let's crack on. Now, retailing at £60 here in the UK, these do go on sale pretty often over here. I believe at the time of shooting this video, these go for about £50 on the Nike website. I got these a while ago from Sports Direct and it was just by chance. I just wanted to get them because I like the colour. But honestly, these have survived so much. I'm talking about heavy gym sessions, whether it's squats, deadlifts, that kind of thing, to jogging and even the most outrageous places that I've walked to. These have held out pretty well. Now, I know Nike are calling this a runner or MD Runner 2, but for me, these are more of a lifestyle sneaker. I have jogged in these a couple times and I've got to say there's so much more better out there. Now, because I've had these so long, I don't have the original box to them, but I can confirm these do come with your standard Nike red box. And the official colorway is called University Red, Black and White. Now, this silhouette comes in a ton of colors, so you're most likely to find a color that you actually like. But this red colorway really got my juices flowing at the time, and to be fair, they still do. But one of the most important things that you may be looking at is of course the sizing when buying these sneakers. And for me, going true to size, it is a little too snug for my liking. I kind of wish I went for half a size up because then it gives me a little wiggle room that I like from sneakers. So if you don't like that snug fit like me, then go half a size up. And if you are a wide footer, go one size up at least. Now, for the price of £60 at retail, what are you actually getting from this sneaker? Now, as you can tell, these draw inspiration from the waffle sneakers by Nike. It's a very standard and simple setup, but it works well. The upper mainly consists of this mesh and of course these suede panels. And of course, these Nike swooshes are of this synthetic leather. Now, these suede panels aren't the most premium feeling and they're not the most nice to touch. But for the price, what are you really expecting? Now, we've got these standard flat red laces that work well, but for me, I would go with a white pair of laces. I think it would make this sneaker pop a lot more with that midsole as well. But anyway, moving to the tongue, we've got that mesh panel that we've seen on the toe box and the mid panels as well, with that black Nike tag with the MD Runner branding too. On the sock liner, again, we've got that mesh material, but on the insole, it is of course black. Now, making our ways to the heel counter, we've got the Nike branding on top, with again that suede panel that cups around the heel. Now, if you ask me, this midsole does really do wonders. It's of this standard EVA foam and it's not the most comfortable, but it really does the job. Now, even though they may appear flat, these do offer support and stability. And if you're using them for a casual gym sneaker, then that's exactly what you want. But we've got the contrast of colors of white and black, and of course the outsole is in that black colorway as well. So what are we thinking, broskies? Is it worth that £60 at retail? Comment down below. For me, I have never looked back. I'm still glad I've got these in the collection. It's one of those sneakers you don't really lust over, but if you've got them, you do appreciate them. And that's exactly what they are for me. But it will be rude not to have this part of the segment on the show. I've still got to decide if these are a buy or a buy. I guess it's pretty much a given because I've had these for so long in the collection and I don't regret getting them one bit. The only real reason I got them years ago at Sports Direct because they were so cheap. I think they were under £40 at the time and I thought, what's there to lose? Why not? Now, for me, this is one of the most versatile sneakers in my collection. I can wear them with shorts, with combats, with trousers, chinos, you name it. And especially this colorway, these do pop in the summer. But if you are looking for something as cheap as chips that will last you years to come, then I can recommend these all day long. I don't think there's many cons to mention, to be fair, just other than it looks so simple. But for me, that's what I like about it. And if you're from the UK, pop to your local Sports Direct and try these on because these are a hidden gem. I know you saw it coming, but of course I am going to give these babies a buy. But of course, leave it down below what your thoughts are. Are you digging this colorway? Are you digging this silhouette? Or comment down below what you could get for a similar price. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Much love as always. Don't forget, hit me up on IG as well, because I am most active on there. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And until the next episode, take care.